Today on Roti and Rice we are going to make chap or stir-fry mixed vegetables. Please note that I am only stir-frying half a portion of what is listed in the ingredients. Let's get started. Boil lotus root with 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1/4 teaspoon salt for 2 minutes. Remove, rinse in cold water and drain. Boil ginkgo nuts for 5 minutes. Remove and drain. Sauté garlic for 20 seconds. Add mushrooms and carrots. Stir fry for 2 minutes. Add ginkgo nuts, baby corn and cooked lotus root. Stir fry for another 2 minutes. Add soy sauce and Shao Hsing cooking wine. Continue to cook for 2 more minutes. Add Napa cabbage and snow peas. Stir fry for 2 more minutes. Season with salt and pour in cornstarch mixture. Allow the sauce to thicken. Turn off stove and drizzle sesame oil over the vegetables. And there you have it, a quick and easy chap suitable for everyday or a festive occasion. Do give it a try.